What's up guys, Nicholas is back and today I'm going to show you how to make 3 paper airplanes. They're really good. I made them myself and also I hope you like them. So let me show you with the first one. Alright, so first you need to get your paper and fold it like this way at the crease. Then you go this way to do the same thing with the other side. And then you're gonna do that again with this side and just fold it like that. And then just do it with the other side. And then you're gonna flip this down. And then finally, you fold the wings. And then fold it back out. And then when I'm done folding this, I'll show you how it flies. Okay, so let me show you how it flies. You see how far that went? It didn't fly not that far into the balance of the way, but still, this is a pretty good airplane for my taste. Okay, let me show you the next one. So first, you gotta do this one and turn it this way. Then do that with the other side. Then you gotta go down here, and then you gotta do this, and then finally fold the wings down. Then you gotta fold this back up. And do the same thing with the other side. Oh, you see this airplane? It's not as good as the other one, but still, you can do some pretty cool tricks. So it just spins a lot, which is really cool. If you just want to like a spinning airplane. Alright, let me show you with the last one. So first, gotta do this. Then have to do this. Then gotta do this. Then gotta do this. Then gotta do this. Then you're gonna do it one more time. Then you gotta do this. Then you gotta do this. Oh, you see? It's like a dart. Wait, let me just. Alright, so it's kind of like a dart. It spins a lot. If you like spinning things, and it's just really cool if you really like it. So it's like a version of some of my other planes, but it's like a dart version. Okay, so these are my 3 airplanes I showed you. I hope you like them. Bye guys.